Hey everyone, today we're looking at the fairly intriguing Honor 400 Pro, a phone that aims to combine some of the elegance and high-end style of its more expensive sibling, the Honor Magic 7 Pro, into a package that won't break the bank. At £699, it falls nicely into the flagship killer category and is ready to compete with rivals such as the OnePlus 13. Upon initial inspection, the Honor 400 Pro leaves a strong impression. Its design language is obviously influenced by Huawei's flagship Pura series, and it looks high-end. It stands out in a sea of plain slabs thanks to the unique camera hump on the back, which lends it some personality. Beyond that hump, however, the design is quite simple and only available in muted black or gray hues. You won't need to polish it as frequently to keep it looking neat, because the frosted coating helps repel dirt and fingerprints. It has a really pleasant hand feel thanks to its curved edges and delicately molded back, which is a refreshing change from other competitors with sharper edges. Despite being a 6.7-inch phone, using it doesn't feel laborious. The touch of plastic around the edges, an unfortunate cost-cutting tactic, somewhat detracts from the otherwise high-end design, despite the high-end ambience. It will, however, withstand a soaking or a heavy downpour without flinching, because it is fully IP68 and IP69 rated. Bonus marks for the screen's ability to respond even when wet, which is perfect for those of us who are always enmeshed in Britain's damp embrace. An optical in-display fingerprint sensor, rather than the ultrasonic type seen in some high-end flagships, unlocks the device. It is fast, precise, and rarely malfunctions, even when the fingers are wet. But the bloatware is a sore place. More pre-installed rubbish than you'll find in a Greg's sausage bun is still something Honor insists on installing. You should dedicate at least 30 minutes to getting rid of the pointless games and apps. Here, AI is the main attraction. It's obvious that Honor is thrilled about it, perhaps too thrilled. A gesture-based method of engaging with content is provided by features like Magic Portal. You can save, search, and share items by tapping and dragging with your knuckle. The display is a stunning 6.7-inch OLED screen that is sharp at 2800 by 1280, supports HDR10, and has vibrant, dramatic colors that enhance the beauty of YouTube or Netflix video. It is quite bright and does not have any problems with outdoor glare. Without adaptive switching, the refresh rate is restricted to 60 or 120 Hz because it is not LTPO. Although it's a little unfortunate, 120 Hz seems fluid and smooth in daily use. Compared to the awkward island on iPhones, the selfie camera cutout is small and comparatively inconspicuous. And lastly, the Magic Capsule, a dynamic island-like user interface feature that allows you to control navigation, calls, and music, is there. Theoretically helpful, it can hide notifications, which is a common problem with this type of interface. So the Honor 400 Pro is a remarkably feature-rich phone considering its cost. It has a bright display, feels fantastic in the hand, looks good, and has enough ingenious software additions to make it worth the money. Although it's not flawless, its plastic edging, bloatware, and lack of LTPO prevent it from being truly great. This might be your next daily driver if you want a semi-flagship experience without paying the whole flagship price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.